Hey guys, in front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and let me show you how to add Google account. First of all, open the settings. Then from settings list select passwords and accounts and mark add account. Here choose Google as you want to add Google account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any network, as otherwise you will not be able to log in with your account. And now provide either your email address or phone number. And mark next. Now it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. As only the password is entered, just mark next. Now confirm it on your device by selecting the number, and then you will be able to use your Google account on this device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.